Jalen, why don't you pick up that blue movie? Yeah, he doesn't need to play with the case. Why don't you put it up? Yeah, look at you guys. You're so cute. They're brothers. What you doing, Chance? Yeah? Silly guy. I'm taking a video. Oh, you can get up. You can play. Let's see if he'll move around. See if he'll move. He's about to roll over. Chance. Silly guy. D. Show us how you get around. There's the pacifier. There we go. There we go.
Huh? You don't need a police car? This one and this one, that's it. The 2 girls.
Oh, what are you doing? I love you.
Boy?
I know. So I love you. Yes? Yeah, those little hands are moving, I know. Hey, D. Hey, D, look at the panda bear. Where else are you gonna go? Yeah? What's over there? What is that? Yeah? What else? Oh, you're gonna go that way, okay. What do you see? There's not really anything over there. Oh, well. You sure are silly. You sure are silly. I love you. You say bye-bye? Chance? Uh-oh, I hear Jalen.